How to turn off contact syncing on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off contact syncing on Instagram in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are on your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your settings section, simply tap on Account Center. Now here, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Your Information and Permission. And here, simply tap on option labeled as Upload Contact, and after that, simply select your account. And once you're done that, you'll be prompted to the new page where you can see the option labeled as Connect Contacts. So simply toggle off that option. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on Disconnect. And that's it. Now, with this, you have successfully disabled contact syncing on Instagram. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.